Good day to you guys. How are you? How are you all doing? How's been your week? How's been your day? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to cook. Honestly speaking, before we start, we've gotten to 1,000 subscribers. Wow, 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 wow. Thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. And thank you guys. Honestly, we wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. Thank you so much. How has it been? Now, today I'm using spag. We are cooking spaghetti, and I'm using the number six of it. The number six. So, for my spaghetti bolognese, I will be needing a kilo. I'm using a kilo of minced meat, two onions, one large, one medium. I'm using pepper and seasoning, curry, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm using my bay leaf oil, butter, and salt. And I'm using here my tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, onions, ginger, my mix. If you've not checked this thing out, what are you waiting for? Please do check it. See how I make mine, and the Lord bless you. Thank you. And here I am going to be garnishing it with my cheese. I'm using cheese on it. Okay, my salt to taste, and my blender, I'll be using it. So let's get into it. Let's do it together. Okay, so I'm going to get it blended. That is my onions. I want to get my onions blended. I'm sorry about. So the first thing I'm going to be doing after blending my onions, I'm going to get my pot ready for the cooking. So I'm going to put on my water. It's already ready. So I'm going to uh, get my light on. Let's get our light on. Yeah. So I'm putting in my water. So I'm going to cover the water up for the spag. I want it boiled. So the next thing I'm going to do, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my oil. I'm pouring in my oil into my pot, and it is olive oil, and the oil is 5 spoons, five cooking spoon. So I have my 5 cooking spoon, and allow the oil to get hot a bit. So I'm going to go in with my onions. So I'm pouring in my onion. So I'm going to allow my onion to saute for some minutes. Okay, have a look at it. Especially for people that does not like to see onions or to smell onions in their meal. That's why it's good to blend it up. So is so the next thing to do is I'm going to add in my minced meat. So now I'm going to break it up. We don't want minced meat that is standing one, so I'm going to break it up. So for my spag, I'm going to add in some salt. And add in my spag. I don't want it broken, so I'm going to add it all. So there it is. It's now mashed up. The oil has now come to the top. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, uh, bell pepper, onions, and ginger. And I'm going to throw in my bay leaf. When I put in the beef, I allowed it to cook for 5 minutes. So now I'm putting in, I put in my tomato, special tomato sauce. Let's name it like that. So when you hear of the special tomato sauce, you know what I'm talking about. So I I throw in the bay leaf now. So I'm going to cover it up for the next 2 minutes. So in case you're using a blended tomato that you bought from the market, the minute you're going to allow it to cook is not just going to be 2 minutes. You will allow it to cook for a long time until it thickens up. So let's wait. Whoa. Have a look at it. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my seasonings. I'm going to add 3 cubes of chicken seasoning, adding my black pepper, and my curry. So I'm going to add some water. In case you're using fresh tomato, you don't need to add water. You know, it still has water. So I'm going to cover it up for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to taste for salt afterward. So for the spaghetti is ready. It's soft. It depends on how you want it. I like it soft. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in my sifter and remove the water. So I brought the pot back to the fire. I want it to get dry. So I'm going to add in a scoop of butter in. This will help your spaghetti not to get stick to each other. Once it's hot a little, I'm pouring it back into the pot. And I'm going to mix it together. I'm taking it off. I'm offing the light and I'm just going to take it off. That's it. Come on. So I'm going to be testing for salt now. So let's add in our salt. Mm, it's ready. Thank you for staying with me until now. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. Let's get into it. Mm, wow. Wow. Hmm, hmm. This is a good one. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you for watching. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Try your own. Send me a pic of it. I want to see it. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Bye.